Bearings. There are 6 important words connected with the term bearings. They are north line, clockwise direction, angle, to, bearing line, from. We can put them in a sort of order so that we can create a sentence with them. So, for number 1, in the first place, we can put angle, the word angle, followed by from, followed by the word north line, then clockwise, the word to, and bearing line. So remember those 6 words: angle, from, north line, clockwise, to, and bearing line. Here in the diagram, you can see their respective positions in the diagram. Here you have the north line. Here you have the bearing line. The point below the north line, that's where you have the point from. The point from the bearing line, that's where you have the point to. Then you have the angle between the 2 lines formed in a clockwise direction. So if you put those 6 words in a sentence, it will look like the angle, or you can see the bearing is, bear in mind we're looking at the word bearing, so let's underline the word bearing, let's underscore it. But we're not putting it in black because we're focusing on the 6 words connected to it. So the bearing, we can put a capital B. Let's start again. The bearing, right, is an angle that starts from the north line in a clockwise direction to the bearing line. Okay, so you can treat this as a plausible definition of the word bearings. So the bearing is an angle that starts from the north line in a clockwise direction to the bearing line. So try your best to remember those 6 words whenever you hear the word bearings, and you can use that now to create a diagram. Also, the 4 cardinal points, north, south, east, and west, and the angle for north is 0 degrees, east is 90 degrees, south is 180 degrees, west is 270 degrees, and back to north is 360 degrees. And from is the origin or the starting point, and to is the destination. That's where you stop.